channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today is not going to be your normal video as much as I tend to talk, and you know, everything I do seems to be longer. But today is going to be a really quick, simple look. I'm going to play with some black eyeshadow to make a nice, like, smoky, vampy look. With I'm just using two eyeshadows because yeah. So it's not going to do much anything because I do have a lot of noise in the background. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button so you can be part of the Makeup Addict family. We are drama free and judgment free here. We don't put up with that. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any videos I upload. I usually upload 2 times a week. And plus I go on Friday at 9 p.m. Going live on Friday at 9 p.m. with my friends Charles from Fashion Nation. And yes, so like I said, this is not your normal kind of video, but this is just basically what the steps are, and this is how I created. I already did my eyebrows, of course, but also all the products I've used in this video will be down below, so you can check what products I've used and everything else. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.